Hello everyone, welcome to another video on Metricool social media management tool. In this video I'll be walking you through a free account of Metricool and I'll show you all the features that a free account provides. So once you sign up for a free account, you will see a dashboard that looks like this. On the top header you'll find the analytics tab, inbox, planning, smart links and ads. And on the left you will find a summary which is a summarized version of all your website and your social media management tools which you have connected. You will find individual tabs for your website which will show the analytics, where you will see Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, TikTok, GMB, Google, Twitch, and 3 ad accounts that you can connect, which is the Facebook ads account, Google ads, and TikTok ads. You will also see the reports tab, hashtag tracker, and brand settings. Now if you come here and click on this icon, you will find all the admin settings where you can connect your own brand. So I have already connected my brand, which is Digital Doorway. So in the free account you can create or connect only one account. You will find the connections. You will find all the social media accounts that you can connect. So as you can see, I've connected my website, my blog, Facebook page, Instagram account, Twitter account. LinkedIn cannot be connected in the free account, so you need a Metricool paid account to connect your LinkedIn account. Pinterest, TikTok, you will find 2 TikTok accounts, personal and business, that you can connect. GMB, YouTube, Twitch, the 3 ad accounts, and you'll also find an integration or direct connection with Looker Studio. Now in Looker Studio you can connect all of these accounts and pull in your analytics. All right. Further, you will find the brand settings where you can upload your logo. You'll find all the connections over here. You'll find the team access in the user management. Further, you'll find the plans and the billing where it shows you which plan you are on and all the plans that they have, the monthly and the annual plans. So it starts at $18 per month. I've already discussed this in detail in my first video on Metricool. If you haven't watched it, please go ahead and watch it. I'll put a link in the description. So from $18 per month for the annual payment, where you can publish 2,000 posts per month, you get reports, competitive analysis, smart links, multiple smart links, AI, to up to $139 per month. You will also find my tasks, wherein I don't have anything right now, but you will find all the tasks that you have that are currently open or pending for approval, approved or rejected. This is good for teams especially. You can also select the language. So Metricool provides 5 languages: English, Spanish, French, Portuguese and Dutch. You'll find the account settings, and you'll also find the affiliate program. Affiliate program is very interesting. As you can see, this is my affiliate link. You'll get an affiliate link even though you don't need to sign up for a separate Metricool affiliate account. The affiliate link resides or is given to you within the main account itself. So I've already got 3,222 clicks on my affiliate link. 5 registrations have already signed up. I've earned $50. Alright, so you will see the statistics of your affiliate link. So from November 2nd to December 1st, I've got 21 clicks and 1 registration, and you'll find where the links are coming from. So total of 12 visitors from this, probably the website. From LinkedIn I've got 3 clicks, 3 visitors, and from Metricool 3 visitors. Right? You'll also find the geographical breakdown here. You'll find the payments and the resource center over here where you can download all the Metricool logos and banners, etc. Now we'll head back to the dashboard. Now you'll see a dashboard once you sign up, something like this. It'll take you to the summary tab, which shows you your account, how many followers you have got. So on my YouTube channel I have got 1,180 subscribers. Facebook, then this is for the period September 2nd to December 1st. Now you can toggle and change the timeline over here, but for this period I've got 1,180 followers, 108 Facebook followers, 28 Instagram and 1 Twitter. So my follower growth has been this much. And down you'll see the number of impressions for each of this channel. Now this is showing because I'm on the summary tab. You'll find the number of posts over here. For each platform you'll find the number of posts. you'll find the list of all the posts over here. You can always toggle here and see a more granular or more detailed post that you have done. You can also, what you can also do is, you can also come over here. If you want to see this, you can click on more, and it'll give you this the complete caption or the text that you have written. If you click on more, if you click on view, it'll head to the Facebook page or wherever you have posted this, and the Facebook account will open up, which will show you on the interface. Alright, so this is a very handy feature. You can also copy this and paste it elsewhere, or reuse it, repurpose it for any other platform. So this is the summary, and if you go down, you will find the ad accounts. Now if you have connected your ad accounts here, obviously you will see all the data flowing in. I'm not running any ads as of now, so you will not find any data, it's all zero. But if you do, you'll find the impressions, the clicks, the CPM, CPC spent, and also list of campaigns, which is very useful. You can also download it in a CSV. And coming further, now here, once you have seen the summarized version, you can go to your individual platforms. So website, I've already connected my website, and whatever accounts you have connected, you will see the logo over here. For those that you have not connected or were not able to connect, so in this case LinkedIn free account not able to connect, so you will find the plus icon over here. TikTok I haven't connected, plus icon. So just to give you the context and for you to know what accounts or pages you have connected, you will see the icon, your logo over here. So coming back to the web version or the website, you can see in real time how many visitors are on your page. So currently there's one visitor on my page right now, and you will see the web analytics. In the last 30 minutes I've got 2 visitors and 2 page views, and you will also find everything that's going on over here, from where the traffic is coming from, alright, and the pages that they have taken along with the timestamp. Alright, so this is very handy. Now going back to analytics, you will find how many page views you have got. So this works something like Google Analytics. So Google Analytics provides you with a more comprehensive view, but in Metricool you will see many useful and handy features, and this is useful especially if you want to have a quick glimpse without opening the analytics account. So for this time period, September, October, November, and till November end, you will see I've got 1281 page views, 574 visits, or 553 visitors, and 3 posts. So you'll see what is the daily page view, daily visits, daily visitors, and more. You also see the list of posts. You'll see the countries or the traffic coming from these countries. You'll see the percentage. So this gives you an idea that if you're running Google ads or Facebook ads, which country to target to. So I'm getting most of the traffic from the US, so you're better off targeting US with paid campaigns or with SEO. Right? You will also see the source of the traffic over here. So direct traffic is coming in 99% of the time, which is good, and you will see which pages are getting the most traffic. But if you want to toggle down, you don't need to go down. You can just click on traffic here. It'll take you to the bottom of the page. If you want to see location, you have location feature over here. So this is again a very handy tab that Metricool has added over here. Right? Coming to Facebook again, Facebook page, you will see the number of likes, you will see the number of followers, you'll see the impressions, you'll see all of those metrics that are usually associated with Facebook. Post viewed in this period, demographics. So most of my audience is between 25 to 34 years of age, followed by almost same 18 to 24 and 35 to 44. And you will see the followers by country, clicks on the page, posts published in this period, and more. And again, what are the list of posts? You will also find the boost option over here, which is you can spend some money. This is for the Google Ads account, but Facebook Ads account. But my suggestion is not to use the boost feature over here. You don't have to boost your post or run paid campaigns from Metricool. You're better off running your campaigns or boosting from Facebook or Meta Ads Manager platform. You can click on view over here and it'll take you to the Facebook page, or you can click on more and get the entire post here. You can even copy it, and you can, if you want to see more posts, obviously you can toggle down and click on more. It'll show you more. You can also, another very handy feature for all of these platforms that Metricool provides in the free version is list of competitors. So you can add your competitors over here You just need to click on add, and you can add your competitor by URL, or I'm just going to write digital, and I'm sure that Metricool will submit a drop down over here. And if it doesn't, then you can just put in the complete Facebook URL page, and it will be the Facebook page will be pulled in. So you can see over here all the Facebook pages with the word digital. This is my page. Digital Marketing Institute have already been added. So let's see, let me go with this, and I'm going to add this competitor. Now once I add this competitor, you will see instantly how many again within this time period you will see the number of posts and number of reactions. If I want to see more stats, I can click on more stats, and a new page opens up which will show the page overview, the page growth, how many likes this page has got, how many posts they have published, the reactions, the comments, shared posts, right? And you will see all the posts over here. If you want to click on more, again you can always copy this, put it in ChatGPT, rewrite it, and you can repurpose it basically, but you get a sense of what your competitors are posting. So this is a very handy feature, and even in the free version. In the paid version, you can add as many competitors as you want, and you can just compare them, right? You have the feature over here, compare, so you can compare your competitors. So in the premium plan, you can add up to 100 competitors that you can modify or delete anytime, right? So coming to Instagram, same page metrics that you will see, the page growth, the balanced followers, etc. Same with Twitter as well. Let me take you to YouTube, for example. YouTube will I've gained 1180 subscribers. Video views, this is the number of videos. How many I've gained? I've gained 445 new subscribers. I've lost 18. I've posted one less video. How many published videos? And you can also see which video I've posted, how many video views I've got, how much is the watch time, view duration, etc. Now coming to the Facebook ads, now you can easily connect the Facebook ad, you can easily connect your Google ad. So I'm just click on connect Google ad, and your Google ad Gmail will open up, and you can connect it straight away. So very useful social media management tool, Metricool. It gives you a very granular view, and you just don't post anything or everything. You can also spy on your competitors. Now planning is something where you can go ahead and post, and I'll cover that in the future video, but for now I'm just sticking to providing you with an overview of this dashboard. Coming to the reports, unfortunately reports is not available in the free version, so you'll need a premium account, but this is something how the report looks like. You can change the logo even in the paid version. So this is the size, 600 by 86 pixels. You can click over here and you can change the logo. It will replace the logo here in the footer. Now you can also generate a PDF or a PPT. You can also toggle this on, and Metricool will automatically send you monthly reports. You can also select which accounts you want to be added in Twitter, and they'll be added. Coming to the hashtag tracker. Now hashtag tracker again is a paid service, and for only 9.99 euros you can track any hashtags for 24 hours. Coming to the brand settings, this is something which I've shown you. You will see all the ads or accounts or brand that has been connected. In the free version you can add one brand. Now one brand includes one website, one blog page, one Facebook page, one Instagram account, and one of each. Alright, so it's an amazing tool. In the next videos I'm going to be covering the inbox and the planning features. So that's it for this video. Thank you.